Welcome to our exploration of Pittaja Abhishyanda Chikitsa, a traditional Ayurvedic approach to treating eye conditions caused by deranged pitta, based on the Sushruta Samhita, Uttara Tantra, Chapter 10. This video will guide you through the ancient wisdom and practical remedies for Pittaja Abhishyanda, commonly known as ophthalmia, and Pittaja Abhishyanda, or conjunctivitis. We'll start by understanding the basic concepts, then move through treatment principles, medicinal formulations, and special therapies. Let's begin by setting the stage for how Ayurveda views eye health and the role of Pitta dosha in these disorders. Pittaja disorders are rooted in the imbalance of the Pitta dosha, which governs heat, metabolism, and transformation in the body. When Pitta is aggravated, it can manifest as inflammation and redness in the eyes, leading to conditions like Pittaja Abhishyanda and Pittaja Abhishyanda. These disorders are characterized by burning sensations, discharge, and discomfort. Ayurveda emphasizes restoring balance through cooling and purifying therapies. By recognizing the signs and symptoms early, practitioners can apply targeted interventions to soothe and heal the affected tissues. The Sushruta Samhita outlines clear principles for managing Pittaja eye disorders. Primary interventions include bloodletting and purgatives, which help reduce the excess heat and toxins associated with aggravated Pitta. External measures such as eye washes, seka, plasters, lepa, medicinal snuffs, nasya, and Anjana, collyrium, are also recommended. These therapies aim to directly address the inflammation and discomfort in the eyes. Additionally, practitioners are advised to follow the remedial measures prescribed for Pittaja Visarpa, a related skin condition, ensuring a holistic approach to treatment. Bloodletting is a classic Ayurvedic intervention for Pittaja disorders, believed to remove excess heat and toxins from the body. Purgatives, on the other hand, help clear the digestive tract and further reduce Pitta. These procedures are performed with great care, ensuring the patient's safety and comfort. The goal is to purify the system and create an environment conducive to healing. While these methods may seem intense, they are rooted in centuries of practice and are tailored to the individual's constitution and severity of symptoms. External therapies play a crucial role in Pittaja Abhishyanda Chikitsa. Eye washes seka use herbal decoctions to cleanse and soothe the eyes. Plasters lepa are applied around the eyes to reduce inflammation and provide cooling relief. Medicinal snuffs, nasya, and Anjana, collyrium, deliver potent herbs directly to the affected area, enhancing the healing process. These methods are gentle yet effective, offering immediate comfort and supporting the body's natural recovery mechanisms. A key aspect of Pittaja eye care is the use of herbal decoctions and pastes. These are prepared from a blend of cooling and nourishing herbs cooked with clarified butter, Ghritas, or goat's milk. Ingredients such as gundra, shali, saivala, sailabheda, daru haridra, ella, utpala, lodra, abra, padmaka, sugar, durva, ikshu, tala, vetasa, draksha, honey, red chandana, yashtimadu sid milk, haridra, and anantamula are commonly used. These preparations serve as tarpana, nourishing, eye washes, or snuff, providing both internal and external support for eye health. Tarpana is a unique Ayurvedic therapy designed to nourish and rejuvenate the eyes. Herbal pastes or decoctions are placed around the eyes, allowing the medicinal properties to penetrate deeply. The use of clarified butter or goat's milk enhances the cooling and soothing effects, making Tarpana especially effective for Pittaja disorders. This therapy not only relieves symptoms but also strengthens the delicate tissues of the eyes, promoting long-term health and resilience. Anjana, or collyrium, is a topical therapy for Pittaja eye disorders. Multiple formulations are indicated, each designed to subdue Pitta and restore balance. The application of Kshirosapi, clarified butter churned from milk at 3-day intervals is recommended. Key ingredients include the expressed juice of palasha or shalaki mixed with honey and sugar, rasa kriya of palindi or yashti madu, and compounds featuring musta, samudrafena, utpala, vidanga, ela, datri, vijaka, talisa, gairika, usira, and samka. These blends are carefully prepared and applied to the eyes, offering targeted relief. The effectiveness of Anjana therapy lies in its carefully selected ingredients. Expressed juice of palasha or shalaki mixed with honey and sugar provides a soothing base. Rasa kriya extracts from palindi or yashti madu offer potent anti-inflammatory effects. Compounds featuring musta, samudrafena, utpala, vedanga, ela, datri, vijaka, talisa, gairika, usira, and samka are blended with breast milk for enhanced absorption. Each ingredient is chosen for its cooling, nourishing, and healing properties, making Anjana a cornerstone of Pittaja eye care. Aschyotana, or eye drops, is another important therapy for Pittaja eye disorders. The technique involves soaking herbal ingredients in breast milk, folding them inside a piece of silk, and applying drops to the eyes. Formulations include blends of lodra, yashti madu, draksha, sugar, and utpala, yashti madu, and rodra in clarified butter, and kashmari, datri, pathya, and toya. These gentle applications provide immediate relief and support the healing process by delivering medicinal properties directly to the affected tissues. The formulations used in Aschyotana are carefully crafted to maximize their therapeutic effects. Lodra, yashti madu, draksha, sugar, and utpala are blended for their cooling and nourishing properties. Yashti madu and rodra in clarified butter offer additional soothing benefits. Kashmari, datri, pathya, and toya are combined to create a gentle yet effective remedy. Each blend is designed to address specific symptoms and promote overall eye health, ensuring a comprehensive approach to Pittaja Abhishyanda chikitsa. Certain conditions, such as sukti paka, require speedy application of cooling Anjana. Fine powders of gems like viduria, crystal, coral, pearl, conch shell, silver, and gold are mixed with sugar and honey to create an effective remedy. These precious substances are believed to enhance the cooling and healing effects, providing rapid relief for acute symptoms. The use of such specialized formulations highlights the depth and sophistication of Ayurvedic eye care. Medicated Ghritas, such as Triphala Ghrita or Tilvaka Ghrita, are recommended for Pittaja eye disorders. Alternatively, old matured clarified butter can be used. These preparations are infused with herbs and provide deep nourishment and cooling effects. Ghritas therapies are valued for their ability to support tissue regeneration and maintain the delicate balance required for optimal eye health. Their use is a testament to the holistic and integrative nature of Ayurvedic medicine. Dhumadasan involves administering clarified butter and following procedures for Rakta Pitta and Pitta-originated Visarpa. These additional measures ensure comprehensive care for complex cases, addressing both the root cause and the symptoms. By integrating various therapies, Ayurveda offers a multifaceted approach to eye health, emphasizing prevention, relief, and long-term wellness. In summary, Pittaja Abhishyanda Chikitsa offers a rich tapestry of therapies rooted in ancient Ayurvedic wisdom. From bloodletting and purgatives to herbal decoctions, Anjana, Aschyotana, and medicated Ghritas, each intervention is designed to restore balance and promote eye health. By understanding the principles and practices outlined in the Sushruta Samhita, modern practitioners can draw inspiration and guidance for holistic eye care. The integration of cooling, nourishing, and purifying therapies ensures lasting relief and resilience, embodying the timeless wisdom of Ayurveda.